Hello everyone, welcome again to another tutorial. Today is your guy Yonpro, and I'm just here to bring another update to our notice. Grok has been put behind the paywall, and many of us don't have money to pay for Grok. So this morning I'm here to show us another alternative that you can use to generate great quality video if you don't have any money to subscribe for now. And guess what? It is totally free. It is totally free. You're not paying for it. And quickly now we'll be going into it as I'll be showing us this video tutorial. So please this channel has been I've not been using it for a while, so just help me to subscribe and like so that the algorithm can know that we are back and we are running. And from now henceforth I'll be bringing latest updates on free tools that you can use, and it's going to help us a lot. So let's jump into it. So the new update we're having in town is being released by YouTube itself. It's being released by YouTube itself. So this is what we have here. Just now we have is the era of AI, and everyone is just releasing AI here and there. So YouTube just released its own AI that you can use to generate your own video, and also you can use to generate your own images. So what you just have to do for you to make your own video and your images is just click on this plus icon that you have down here. When you click on your plus icon, just look at the Gemini logo you have up here. The Gemini logo you are seeing up here, just click on it. So when you click on the Gemini logo, you can see we have the AI playground. So we have the create video, make me move photo to video. We have the image, we have the background, and we have the music. So this is just like they comprise everything into this place. They comprise everything into this place. You can generate music, generate image, you can make photo to video. You can also use you can also create video from text. So let us begin from let us use the create video and the photo to video, and also we are also going to look at the image for now, since these are what majority of us are using the most. So let's go ahead and look at this. We have create video, so you can type your video here, or you can just choose a pre-made prompt from this place, or you can just make your own personal video. So let's try and create one here. Let me see. Let's use a word like let's use something like let us do something like this, a man jumping on buildings. So let's see what's going to give us. Let's see what we have here. So let's wait for it to generate. So this is just a latest update being released. Okay, so that means we can't generate videos like that, can't create videos like that. I don't know why that is. So let's try something else. A man walking with his dog. All right, let's try this. So maybe the way it's being programmed is not allowed to do some things that is kind of dangerous, so not safe for kids stuff. Maybe that's what is being done. So let's try this one. It's generating. Let's wait for it. So this is something Google just integrate into YouTube that can assist you also to make your content more faster. So since Grok is now behind the paywall, and I know many of us has been using Grok for times, and it has been free of charge. So let's see what is going to bring out here. Alright, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Kindly support the channel. Let's make the channel grow. We can do this. Kindly like and subscribe as we move on. Okay, we are almost there. And we are doing this completely with the phone. It's not compulsory to use your laptop for this if you don't have a laptop. So with this you can create your content, and you can do all sorts of things that you would like to create. Just that you have to be careful with what you create. As you see earlier on, we try to create something about acrobatics or something that may be a little bit dangerous. The AI didn't do that, so that means it has regulations of what it can do and what it cannot do. So that is what we have there. So it's still generating. Okay, all right, so here we have, wow, you can see this looks so good. This looks so good. All right, so as you can see, this looks so good. It also generates the audio for us of the walking feet, and also if you can hear this, the animal, the dog that is also panting, so we can also hear that. So this is a video, and if you want to download, you can click on the download button and it's going to download into your device. So that's what we have here concerning the video. So we can always use the video. All right, so that's for the video. Let's try and see something else. So, okay, let's try the all right, you can see the video has been saved already. So let's try the image. Let's try to generate image. This also works very well. This works very well. So we already have a pre-made prompt here. Let me change the animal. A cute let me see. Okay, let me use another animal that kind of look a little bit out of the word cute. Let's say it's going to make it cute also. So I'm trying to look at that. Let's use a cute cow. Yeah, let me see how it can create well. So we have the you can choose the style you want. Maybe you want vintage, anime, clay, or anyone, so you can choose it from this end. So but then we are just test running it. I just have to bring this updates to you guys quickly. So as you can see it, these are what we have here. So although it is kind of okay, but it can still be made better, it can still be refined better, maybe depending on the prompt we use. So it can still be made better. So these are the images. You can see the images is created. You can see the images, and this looks pretty good for AI stuff. If you are going into AI stuff like this dancing animation of AI, you can use this and you can just go ahead and do what you want to do. So we have two options here, which we have the use image and the create video. So use image means if you want to use your image just like this, or you can go ahead and save your image to your device. Maybe if you want to move it to another editor or something, you can move it to your device. And then we have create video, just like we have in Grok. You can use this very image to create a video. So you can just click on create video. So this is the same way that your image to video also works. When you upload your image, you are going to put in your prompt of what you want the animal to be doing, and it's going to generate it for you. That's simple. So it's very simple, and this is free of charge, and you can use it free of charge. So far I'm still using it. I'm still trying to see if it is still unlimited, or if it has also have some limits per day or per month. But for now it's completely free, and so far I've been using it. I've not hit any limit yet. So we can all jump on this as we move in together on it also. So as you can see here, we have our video has been made for us. Let's see what is created. Let's see how it goes. This is the video generated, and we can see the audio is on. You can remove the audio or you leave the audio on, any one of your choice. So you can click on continue if you want to use this as a short on YouTube, or if you want to use it on your TikTok or Instagram, you can click on the three dots you have up here and save it to your device. So this is something great that YouTube just integrate into their platform, and I believe we can make use of this pending when we also get more updates concerning what we can be using for our own content creation. So that's it, guys. These are the updates that we have today. So ensure that you try it out, make beautiful content and make great content, and you can post it on your own social media platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please support me as we move on in this our updates. Thank you, and see you next time.